Now let's start with finding the four-figure grid of a place or any man-made and natural feature. So whenever we have to find the four-figure grid, we always start with the eastings. That means the vertical lines or the eastings are written first. The number of the eastings are written first. That is, the value of the vertical lines have to be written first, and then the northings, that is the horizontal line. So children, here you make mistakes, so be very careful whenever you have to write or calculate the four-figure grid. You have to write the eastings first and then the northings. So please try to learn like easting then northing, easting and then northing, easting and then northing, eastings, northings. So like that only you keep practicing while you are watching TV, or you are you're thinking some you have to practice somehow eastings and northings, because if you write it the other way you will get zero. So now, how to find four-figure grid or locate places? Suppose I have to find the four-figure grid of A, B, C, D, E. So I start with A. So always remember, again I am repeating that you have to begin with eastings and then northings. Like if you have to find the four-figure grid of places or locate the places of A, B, C, D and E. So if we have to find the four-figure grid of place A, it is located here. We have identified the square. Now we have to look into the eastings and northings. So first of all, one way of writing four-figure grid will be, see that between which two easting is A falling. So in this case, it is falling between 21 and 22. These are the eastings. Then you see in which two numbers, in between which two numbers is the northing, is A falling and the northings falling. So that is between 03 to 04. Once you have identified the square, then you have to write the lower number of the easting, that is 21, and the lower number of northing, that is 03. And hence the four-figure grid will be of A will be 2103. 21 is the easting and 03 is the northing. I hope this method is clear. Shall I repeat it again? So here what you have to do is, suppose you have to find the four-figure grid of station A. Identify the two eastings between which A falls. In this case, it falls between 21 and 22. Circle the lower number, that is 21. Circle the lower number, that is 21. Then take the northings. Write both the numbers of northings in between which A falls. In this case, it is falling between 03 and 04. Then take the lower number, that is 03, and then the four-figure grid will be 2, 1 and 03. This is one way of finding four-figure grid. The other way to find four-figure grid is that we should the station or the area should fall towards the east of the vertical line, that is the easting, and towards the north of the horizontal line, that is the northing. So in this case, the line towards the line from which A is falling towards the east is 21. So A is falling in the east of 21 and it is falling in the north of 03. So therefore the four-figure grid will be 2103. So these two lines become important, the line of 21 and 03. So it is written as towards the east of which line and towards the north of which line. Whichever method suits you, you can follow them to find the four-figure grid. Shall I repeat this also again? Just remember the area, the station, the symbol, the man-made feature, whatever is asked, it should fall towards the east of the line and towards the north of the line. In this case, A is falling towards the east of 2-1 and towards the north of 0-3, and hence the four-figure grid is 2-1-0-3. So I had asked you to find out, so examples I have given. So A is 2-1-0-3, this must be clear to you. Now B is falling, the four-figure grid of B is 2-2-0-3. I'll just wait for 1 minute, just see whether I'm right. I have written the answer correct. Is it 2-2-0-3? Then come to C. Again we have to see towards which east of which line it is falling. So it is falling towards the east of 2-1, that is 21, that is the easting, and it is lying in the north of 0-0. Therefore, the four-figure grid of C is 2-1-0-0. Likewise, the four-figure grid of D is 2-3 and 0-1. 2-3-0-1. Four-figure grid of E is 2-4-0-2. Children, please revise it, like you do it on your own and match the answers whether you are getting the correct answers or not. I will be giving you some exercises to do on the Google form.